What's up traders, welcome to this crypto trading course for beginners. We'll begin this course with a general intro into crypto so we can then move to talk about all the apps you would need to be able to buy and invest in crypto for the first time. After showing you which apps to use and how to buy your first coins, we are going to talk about crypto analysis and how to get information about the different coins so you can find potential candidates to invest and trade. Then we are going to learn the basics of trading charts and indicators because you will need this knowledge to evaluate price action and to be able to know when exactly to enter the market and exit the market. We are going to learn how to use a simple yet effective tool to get all the charts and indicators you need. This will give you the introduction to trading, which you can use later on with your day trading or long-term trading strategies. Then we are going to end the course by learning about staking and decentralized trading on some DEX platforms, because this will give you additional channels for you to trade your crypto tokens and coins. I hope all of this gets you excited about jumping into crypto, and if so, let's move into your first video.